In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. My favorite way to manage auto rotation on devices I'm testing, in this case Google Pixel, is going into Tab menu right away because it's the fastest. So when I do that, all I need to do is look for Auto Rotate shortcut and click on it. As you can see, mine turned gray, which means that auto rotation is enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut until it's white. But you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll to hit Display and Touch, and then scroll down to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen, and this way turn it on or off from here. Fun fact though, you can also click on Auto Rotate Screen on the left, manage it from here, but also enable or disable face detection feature by tapping on this switcher next to it. Face detection uses the front-facing camera to improve auto-rotate accuracy. So if you want to try it, you can do it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!